Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete group on Outlook on an Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open your Outlook app on your device. Okay, and then here you can tap on this icon. And then you can select group option. Okay, after that here you can open your group section. After that you can tap on this option. And then select this to remove your group. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove group on Outlook on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.